In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix black screen on Steam. If your Steam client opens to a blank or black window, don't worry, this walkthrough will guide you through a clean, reliable set of fixes that address the most common causes without touching your games or saves. Start by opening Steam. Once it's up, look to the top left corner and click the Steam menu, then open Settings. We'll begin in the Downloads section. Here, select Clear Download Cache. This clears temporary data used by the client's downloader and web views, which often resolves black or blank pages. It won't remove your installed games. Just be aware you may be asked to sign in again later, which is normal after clearing cache. Next, still inside Settings, switch to Interface. Find the option labeled Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views and turn it off. Steam Store, Library, and other panels use embedded web technology that relies on your graphics driver. If that driver is acting up, those panels can appear black. Disabling GPU acceleration forces software rendering, which is more compatible on systems where the driver is misbehaving. While you are in Interface, change your beta participation status to refresh the client. Adjusting this setting prompts Steam to refresh its core components and can shake loose issues that cause blank screens. The client may let you know that a restart is needed after the change that's expected and helps complete the refresh. Now click the Steam menu again and choose Exit to fully close the app. Give it a moment to shut down completely, so no background processes are left running. When you are ready to relaunch, right-click the Steam icon and select Run as Administrator. Starting Steam with elevated permissions ensures it can update itself, rebuild caches, and write any files it needs without being blocked, which is especially helpful right after the changes you made. Finally, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website for your GPU NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest driver for your specific model and operating system. Installing the newest driver resolves a surprising number of display issues, including black or blank Steam windows, and it improves overall stability for games and the client alike. Use only the official source to avoid outdated or incorrect packages. After these steps, your Steam client should display normally. If the issue persists, repeat the steps to confirm settings saved correctly. Then launch Steam as administrator again. Thanks for watching.